That drink said dumb low. What's good, Chrysler Squad? It's your boy Grizzly Man, back with another daggone video. So, y'all, I'm just waking up. It is the same day. You see, I got the same fit on. Same day, new video. All right. So today, I'm finally getting my surprise, man. I'm getting my surprise to the channel. Yo, Grizzly Marty is getting his surprise, man. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start, Black Beauty. Hey, Blue Girl, we're gonna get you right, man, real soon, real soon. But Black Beauty, oh, it's a bird poop on my car. Hold on. Let me start her up. All right, come on. Woo, she's sleepy too. Black Beauty is tired too. On the ground inside, I'm gonna go wipe that crap off. But she looking good though. She's looking good. Looking good in the hood. Looking good in the hood. Black Beauty, twinkling and glistening. What Birdman's twinkling and glistening? I can't say it like that. Yeah, they got me. They was dropping stuff. Yeah, I'm about to wipe her off real quick. But we about to go ahead to my boy Jason's house because he about to hook me up. All right. All right, man. So I'm here. The sun is still out, which is a good thing. So I'm here. You know what I'm about to get, y'all? Y'all know what I'm about to get? Well, I ain't gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna let Jason tell y'all, man. All right, so Jason, what am I getting in store today, man?
Look, we're about to do this wicker bill here. We got the acrylic piece.
Yes, sir.
You're just missing the back piece.
Yup.
So it's gonna come right here.
Definitely.
It's gonna change this whole style right here, be a little bit more aggressive. Oof.
Oh yeah.
You ready for it?
I can't wait for it. I can't wait for it, man. So they about to go get that part, and then it's pretty much gonna be on. So Jason's gonna go ahead and install and get it ready. Got the black rivets and everything like that. Oh yeah, and it is by what, Evil Customs? Right?
Evil Customs. Yeah.
Evil Customs, man. I'm gonna put their link in the bio down below, and then you should see it right here. You know, so go check them out on IG, man. They do a lot of Mopars around this area too. So I know their work is excellent. So yeah, we about to get to this. We're gonna knock this out in a few. He said it's gonna take a little bit of time. I don't know. Let's time him to see. I know. I know, I'm messing with. All right, so we got Will Marco here, man. He get his wicker bill on. That ain't sweet. So I think y'all remember this charger in the other video when it was just popping in the tunnel. Almost made me drop my camera. Yeah, this is the charger right here. This ain't sweet. Oh yeah. Shout out to Chewy, man. Look at his car. Got them lights dancing, boy. Yeah. I'm gonna go this way because I want to get the address. Oh, that's really sweet. Go ahead and check them out, y'all. Got a bag. I'm gonna show you inside his trunk. Oh, you gonna drop it more? You gonna drop it more? Go ahead, do your thing. Woo! Alright. That drink said dumb low. Yeah, that's low.
I gotta get my rubber tip back in.
Low and slow.
One of my neighbors pulled my fish off.
They pulled it?
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah. They like the remnants is still on here and shit.
Yeah. Why they do that? They was mad.
Fucking hate him, bro.
Oh dang. They about to see these hands.
Well, they shot my windshield up too there.
Putting that wicker bill on that night.
They working on that night.
Hey, but it's working, man. It's looking good. I'm gonna give y'all a better view of it in the morning time so y'all can see it. I'm gonna get some B-roll for it, man. See, man. But yeah, Jason, he doing his thing. Out here in the cold, it's about like what, 30 degrees out here probably.
Oh, it's
It's cold as a bug.
It's
But it's looking good. Yes, sir. Wicker build. see y'all in the morning, man. All right, Grizzly Gang, it is the next morning. Y'all. So here is the finishing touches to the WICKER build. I know y'all didn't, it got dark really quick on us. I was able to get like the content that I wanted, but also I wanted it really bad too. So here we go. This is the new WICKER build. I'm gonna show y'all from a distance too. It is a little windy, so y'all bear with me. You see how high it goes? So it's a custom WICKER build. I wanted it larger than what it was. And the way they did it, I kind of like it like this. Actually, I love it like this. Not even kind of. It's Evil Customs. Y'all did y'all thing, man. Shout out to y'all. The link will be, well, Evil Customs will be right here, and then the link will be down below. It's their IG, you know, so just go to Evil Customs on their IG, and yeah, that's what you do. Just go check them out, man. They do everything, bro. Excellent, excellent. Of course, you know, I'm gonna get a co-star for you guys. You know, I just came out here just to do a little quick video just to show you guys, and then I'm gonna start editing everything. But y'all, I got a WICKER build on my 300. You see how like it extends? Look at it. Look at it, man. And look at this cold start. Come on, Black Beauty, do your thing, man. Woo! Yes, sir. Man, that's what I love about it, man. I love the co-stars. I probably always do co-stars in my videos, man. As long as I do YouTube, you always gonna see a co-star or something, man. I don't care what car I got. I plan on getting a bunch of cars. I got so many plans for the future, man, but this is the start, man. If y'all watching my channel, if y'all new to my channel and everything, this is how I started my YouTube. I had my Mazda 3. When I was ready to buy a new car, I went ahead and bought one of my favorite cars that I love, a Chrysler 300S. It is a V8. If they had the SRT, I would have bought it because that's what I wanted. Reason why I didn't get a Scat, because everybody has them, and I want it to be a little different. And I'm gonna make this faster than the Scat. I'm gonna turn it off, you know, because you don't need to be running no gas. I want to make this car faster than the Scat. So I got so many goals, I got so many plans for this car. And just for my YouTube, you know, it's mainly a car YouTube, and I'm all about cars, Mopar, no car, of course, but I love JDM, I love drag racing, I love anything about a car, man. So, man, follow your boy, man, Grizzly Marty. Subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.